The education at KJA is important because it's specialized and focused on Kentucky issues. So not only do you get the national subject matter, but you also get the state important procedural issues and why certain things are important in different areas of the state. For instance, a national association providing CLE may not know what it's like to try a case in eastern or western Kentucky. So it's important to be part of the KJA education to get that specialized local information.
I think some very good advice that I have, being an attorney who practices in rural Kentucky, is that you really need to have membership in KJA because it connects you with the rest of the state. It gives you resources of attorneys who normally you would not come into contact with, that you can speak to freely whenever you want to. You can pick up the phone, and you don't feel so isolated either.
The work that Kentucky Justice Association does in Frankfort continues to protect the Seventh Amendment, continues to make sure that laws are favorable to protecting the citizens of Kentucky, whether it be in an area of civil rights or whether it's in the area of medical negligence, continuing to fight against limits on liability and damages. Without that fight, Kentucky would be like many states that do not protect citizens as far as they can.
I find when I go to KJA seminars, oftentimes I find the answer to the question that I've been looking for 2 or 3 months, because someone else has experienced the same problem in another case, and all of a sudden I have that information, and it helps in my practice so much.
For somebody who's looking at being a member of KJA that doesn't know what value it brings, I would encourage you to at least take a year and be active. Go to the education, go to the convention, and you'll realize how important the organization is to your development as an attorney.
KJA has made me a better attorney because I simply practice better. If I have the answers to the questions, if I know how to approach, let's say, a motion in limine, something of that nature, and I have the resources to talk to another attorney who's been through the same thing before, it just makes my practice better.
Kentucky Justice Association is a membership-based organization, so in order to continue the important work that it does in Frankfort and on behalf of the citizens of Kentucky, we must support it by joining as members and financially supporting the Kentucky Justice Association.